Hello, what's going on, guys? Today we will learn about subnetting. Okay, we will use this space. This space is given to you by the owner of the network, or to you as their contractor to build their network. So this is the topology, the simplest topology tree network. So, and this is router A. Now this is okay. The second step is drawing topology. Okay, the topology, and the third step is subnetting. Subnet the other space. I mean point 1. So we need 3 network. First 3.1 requirement. The requirement of network 3 network, hence 3 needing 2 bits. The 3.2. The next step is make the default subnet mask or prefix larger. The default or given prefix larger. Okay, I will rest this, or default given prefix larger. So take 2. So given or default SM subnet mask for abbreviation is /24. So add 2 bits, add 2 bits to add 2 to this, and to this, and become /26. Becomes /26. /26. So the fourth step, for divide them the network space using newer subnet mask, newer SM. So 2 bits. So the newer SM is /26, right? So let's go. And the network space, the network side, make default. So the network space is this. The network space is this. The network space is this. Here I make it clear. So this is the default network space, the network space that given to you. This is the default subnet mask or subnet mask that given to you by another persons. So here you are, here the boss, and here you are. So subnet mask is given to you. The default subnet mask is given to you here, and the default network space given to you is here. So let's go divide the network space. 192. So how can we divide this? You see that we are is /26. So /26 is minus /13 is 6 is 5. 6. So 2 times 6 is 32. So the lookup is 32. So the first branch. So branch 1. So the first result is 1/0/26, and the next 0 is 1/32/26, and next is 32/97/96/26. Let me check. So no, the lookup must be /64. So the next branch, so the next result is 34, and the next result is 26, and the next result is 192, and if you keep adding the 192 to 264 will become 256. Let me do that for you. Do the math in the calculator. 192 times 64 is 256. So this is the last one. The last one is 192. So there you go. This is your subnet mask. There are 4 candidates. There are 4 options that you can distribute, that you can delegate to each of the network here. So if I want, I will go this to this one to this, and the next one I will go here to this, and I will go here to this. So the result is the network here will be used this, and the network on the center, we call this network, maybe we call this network office A, network A, or just network A, and we call this a network. I mean here we call this network B, and here we call this network C, and network P will be use the 160.64/26, and network C will be use 192.168.1.1.128/26. So network C will be use this one 128/26. I mean, correct that, and here you go. You get all these distributed to your network. But as you might notice, this is not distributed or idle, or you can use this as save for later use. So here we go. That's the subnetting our topology maybe part 1, or maybe I can continue to next session, to next video. I hope you enjoy learning, and the next video maybe I will implement, or I will install, or I will configure, I will implement exactly the word exactly this into packet tracer using 3 routers. So this is will be we will call R1, and this is will be called R2, router 2, I mean router 1, router 2, and this is R3 or router 3. So next where I get to these 2 bits, where I use 3 and why I use 2 bits, because 2 bits because if you use 2 bits, there are 4 2 bits, bit 0 and bit 1, because if you use 2 bits, you will get 4 variation, 4 total variation, while you need 3. So if you supply 4, that's good. You still 1 left, that is 1. So this is correct. If you 2 bits, you will use 3. If you need 3 network, you will use 2 bits. If you need 4, then you will use 2 bits. If you need 5, then you will use next bits is 3 bits. If you need 6, then you will need 3 because 3 bits, because 2 power 3 is 8. So you get 8, and well, you need 6. So that's good. That is great. That is fine. That is fine, and it will work. It will work perfectly, exactly as what we need. So this is the example 1. Maybe we will continue to our next video. Thank you.